Hey guys, welcome back to Houseplantpixie's channel. I'm doing a house tour of my plants for you today. This is my hallway. And now we're coming into the lounge room. And got heaps of different plants. Got a couple of windows. You can see one a little bit there, which is west facing window. Frankie just entered the house. Hi Frankie. These are my two cuttings. I had that one in water, that one in sphagnum moss. I think it's been about a couple of months, maybe 3. These cuttings I'm gonna show you in a separate video. Talk about water propagation versus sphagnum moss. If your monstera is forming new leaves and they do turn brown, please do not freak out and think it's dying. It's just a little protective layer which fall off once it's strong enough or mature enough to be without it. If anyone knows what this guy is, it's the same family as the chain of hearts, sort of succulent type. But yeah, I'm unsure what it is. Maybe you guys know. Like a lady on throwing out a new leaf. Another lady in here. My Picasso lily. She's stunning. Got a few Hoyas. This window. This one got a couple of new shoots. Made the transition from water to the soil. And this is silver sword. I wanted to eventually climb up this trellis. I got the same trellis on the other side. Strelitzia, she was badly attacked by spider mites and mealybugs. You can see that on the next leaf. I'll show you. The new leaf has a bit of brown on it. Very slow growers. You can still see a bit of my slow release fertilizer. I'll make a video how I got rid of the bugs. Yeah, that leaf doesn't look too beautiful, but imperfection is true perfection. This guy, when growing up, this trellis. It's gonna be exciting. My monstera in the corner here had scale if I zoom in, probably. These leaves are perfectly fine. And this one, yep. I'm just gonna wipe the, it keeps coming back. Just gonna put a bit of white oil on a paper towel and wipe it off. That's why it's so laggy, but I don't mind it. I want it climbing along and eventually touching my picture. Best example, be careful when you have plants on the walls. It tried to attach itself with the area roots. I don't mind. Yeah, that is what happens. Best example. Now we come in. I recently added that shelf. That's actually 2 shelves stacked on top of each other. Most of you probably know the plants I'm showing. This is, got this one as a Valentine's Day present. Super stoked with it. My syngonium are cut recently, and I will add some to the pot to make it look a bit fuller. My white fusion. Could do with a bigger pot, but I think I'm gonna wait. We're coming up to winter soon. You've seen these guys in my care video. Pepperonia and here. My 2 Boston ferns. This is my east facing window, which gives me sort of bright light but not too bright.